excited with the music of Jodha Akbar in fact? Like a great film.
I think being a part of this epic film itself is a great thing. So not every day people put so much of money and passion and make something like that. And it's also bringing history in a right perspective to bring about love and unity and stuff. So it was great to be a part of the film.
Bringing an epic love story, like what are the things actually you had to keep it in mind, and how much Ashutosh was briefed, and how difficult also it becomes when you have to.
I think when you have a team where you worked with them before, you are mentally ready with all this stuff. You're not like a student working on anything. Because I've also done stuff before. So in probably 3-4 months we got into a groove of what is needed for the film.
Okay, sir, whenever your name is connected with some other film, there are huge expectations. So
Don't
is there
scare us.
pressure?
There is pressure always within us to deliver something. When that is done, then we're not that pressurized when it releases, because we know that some songs might be accepted very fast, some might be a little slow.
So
And the song which you have sung, like in fact, if you just talk something about it, like, song which you have sung.
The song which I sang, Khwaja Mere Khwaja, was recorded before the film was conceived, and it was my wish to do a song on Khwaja Sahab and Ajmer Sharif. And it happened when I did my Australia tour. I did this composition that time in 2005. And when I finished that, I just played it to Ashutosh and he loved it and used it in his film.
Your combination with Javed Saab is also like always mixed. What are you expecting with the songs also in fact?
Well, I think he gives the class which the film needs in lyrics and the way he expresses stuff. I don't have to say anything about Javed Saab, the whole world knows.
So, do you plan to work more often then? Because you're not seen as much and you're not heard as much as in public as people would have desired to actually.
Yeah, I understand. I also try to do my own stuff. I got my own label. So I'm working on projects so you guys could get something new. When I work in films alone, then I have limitations. I love to work on films, but not only films. So that's happening now, and you will be probably hearing about
What's the
Game.
limitation? What's the limitation you're talking about? And what's the
There's no limitation. There is, in a way, it embraces a lot of different styles, but sometimes you're limited to only 5 songs. When you have an album, there's more freedom to do
So which one is your favorite track?
all of them.
And how much sense Ashutosh also has about the music, like in fact?
I think to get a good music, you need to have a taste for music, and because I could give a great tune and he might reject it. So he embraces a lot of good things, and that's a very good quality.
So any research from your side you had to do while for the music in fact, like?
We listened to a lot of old things, and we settled to what we felt is right.
Thank you, sir.